What is spirituality? If you ask people, what is spirituality? You will get many different answers. Each person would interpret it from his or her point of view and beliefs. But correct meaning is, spirituality involves the recognition of a feeling or sense or belief that there is something greater than myself, something more to being human than sensory experience, and that the greater whole of which we are part is cosmic or divine in nature. Spirituality, thus, deals with understanding the nature of the soul and one's journey back to identifying with the soul and experiencing it as one's true nature. Spirituality is the expansive science about how to be blissful. So we understood what is the meaning of spirituality. However, we also try to understand what is the role of spirituality in our life. Spirituality encourages people to have better relationships with themselves, others, and the unknown. Spirituality can help you deal with stress by giving you a sense of peace, purpose, and forgiveness. It often becomes more important in times of emotional stress or illness. Positive impacts of spirituality. Impacts. Out these, another one topic is very essential part of that is spiritual health. What is spiritual health? Why spiritual health is most important for everyone's life? What are the best 8 ways to improve our spiritual life? Spiritual health is achieved when you feel at peace with life. It is when you are able to find hope and comfort in even the hardest of times. It can help to support you as you experience life completely. Spirituality is different for everyone. Physical health and spiritual health. What are the best 8 ways to improve our spiritual life? First one, connect with your faith community. According to a Gallup study, 43% of Americans say they belong to a church or other religious body. These places of worship offer a sense of connection and encourage those living with a mental health condition to have community connections. Find someone or an organization that shares your beliefs and thoughts and reconnect with them, whether online, over the phone, or in person. Reach out to a pastor or spiritual leader and find ways to connect with like-minded people within your faith community who can support and encourage you. Second one is volunteer or help others. Help causes and the community, but the benefits can be even greater for you, the volunteer. The right match can help you to find friends, connect with the community, learn new skills, and even advance your career. Giving to others can also help protect your mental and physical health. It can reduce stress, combat depression, keep you mentally stimulated, and provide a sense of purpose. While it's true that the more you volunteer, the more benefits you will experience, volunteering doesn't have to involve a long-term commitment or take a huge amount of time out of your busy day. Giving in even simple ways can help those in need and improve your health and happiness. Moreover, 4 ways to you feel healthier and happier if you volunteer to help others. First benefit is volunteering connects you to others. Second benefit is volunteering is good for your mind and body to keep you mental health. Third benefit is volunteering can advance your career. Then fourth benefit is you much feel volunteering brings fun and fulfillment to your life. Third point 1 is you must compulsory practice yoga and keep your habitual do yoga daily routine. Yoga is most awaiting and most important as part of every own life in present scenario. So you don't have to be a yogi to gain the spiritual benefits of the practice. Yoga is for everyone at any level. Besides strengthening and stretching your body, it can help your mind and spirit, reducing symptoms of stress, depression, and anxiety. Fourth one is meditation. Meditation and yoga are most essential part of all life. We are struggling mostly 70% people's mental health problems, stress, and anxiety. So, yoga is the only way of reduce stress and cure mental health problems. You don't need to be an expert meditator. Meditation is one of the easiest practices to maintain because it requires little time. Some people think you have to sit and be quiet, but that's not true, Wester said. You can walk and meditate, being mindful of how your feet feel on the ground or the details of your surroundings. Just the practice of slowing your body down can help slow your brain down. Meditating for as little as 5 minutes can help reduce stress, depression, and anxiety and increase your mindfulness. If you need assistance, there are some excellent guided meditation apps such as Calm or Balance. Fifth one, keep a journal. The act of writing can help you process your emotions, increase your awareness, and give you a non-judgmental space to express your feelings in the moment. Write down your worries and your fears, or start a daily gratitude journal with prompts. Sixth one is very important to all aged groups, that is, spend time in nature. Whether you live in the mountains, the desert, or near the beach, spending time in nature can boost your spiritual health. You can't help but disconnect from your phone, your day, and your troubles. Even just a few minutes watching the birds, the trees swaying in the wind, or the crashing waves on the shoreline can be therapeutic. Seventh one is focus on your hobbies. Find things that you enjoy doing, whether it be knitting, coloring, cooking, playing a sport, or working out. Focusing on things you enjoy can bring back a sense of purpose and keep you focused in the moment, even just for a little bit. My last point in last stage of who are actually struggling severe stress problems and mental disorder. They can compulsory follow this way. Speak with a chaplain or someone you trust. If you're struggling to connect with your spiritual side or your mental health, reach out to someone specially trained or with someone you trust who can help. Chaplains are specially prepared to deal with faith-related challenges in a clinical context, according to Wester. They won't dismiss or wash over your emotions. Instead, they can support and validate them. They can help you retrace your spiritual steps. Thus, always maintain a spiritual connection in order to live a healthy spiritual life and mental well-being. Additionally, you can keep your distance from stress, worry, rage, and despair to improve your life's quality and heighten emotions of hope and inner serenity. My last point and last stage of who are actually struggling severe stress problems and mental disorder, they can compulsory follow this way. Thank you for watching my video and give your valuable time for watching. If you like my video, and please comment me on comment section box, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel and pressing bell icon button for remind you when I uploading videos, particularly tips on health, mental health, stress and anxiety.